So I think around 90 participants are here. So, okay. Okay, so a very good afternoon to all. And now we are heading towards our last session, that is a validatory session. Or you can say it as a farewell session. I welcome our chief guest, Dr. Mano Daigawane, sir, Joint Director, Technical Education, Regional Office, Nagpur. I also welcome our principal, sir, coordinator of this FDP, our co-coordinators, Professor Jolhe, sir, Professor Khadse, madam, other faculties, and highly enthusiastic participants. Every journey has a beginning and has an end. So now at the end, we are having some mixed feeling and the emotion. Today in this session, we will power out all the emotions. The basic objective of this FDP was to explore various research opportunities and challenges in the field of modern power system operation and control, and also to provide knowledge to participants regarding design and analysis of controllers used in power system. We wanted to enhance your knowledge and skill who are working in the field of power system, and we wanted to bridge the gap between academia and the industry. This FDP was expected to open new research areas in the field of electrical power system. Now, a question will arise in your mind. So what we have achieved? What is our outcome of this FDP? So whether we have gained something out of it or not. I think you might have noticed in our feedback link, we have asked you to evaluate some queries in a range of 5 to 1. It means that what you have attained, that you have to convert that attainment in the arithmetic value. As you know that we are living in a world of NBA, so we will have to see everything and everything from the eyes of NBA. We tried our best to touch many areas of power system like deregulation, load flow analysis, FACTS controller, electrical drives, renewable system, and so on. So after learning all this topic from expert, now we are able to analyze any problem statement in this research area, and we are able to explore this area in a more perfect manner. So now I'll request Professor Jolesa to give a detailed report on our AICTE-sponsored Atal FDP on recent trends in power system operation and control. Over to you, sir. Sir.
Yes. Sir.
Sir, you're not audible properly. Sir, can you please turn on your mic?
Wait.
It seems that your mic is turned off, sir. No, sir, you are still not audible. Sir, can you please turn on your mic? So from this end, actually, I'm seeing that your mic is turned off. So please make it turn on.
Hello.
Now okay. Okay, sir. Sir, please go ahead, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The program was inaugurated by AICTE Training and Learning Academy, that is Atal, as a 56 online Atal faculty development program on the national level. The first session of the FDP was conducted by Dr. P.K. Katti, professor in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, that is Batu, Lonere, on the topic emerging trends and associated challenges in the power system. Sir had elaborated on the latest trends in the electrical engineering and the problem arising due to the penetration of the renewable energy sources in the power system. On this, the second session was conducted by our beloved principal and coordinator of the FDP, Dr. N.D. Gogave, sir, on the topic restructuring of the power system. Sir had deeply explained the complete formation of the new power system and its operation and control. The third session was conducted by Dr. P.P. Bedekar, sir, Professor, Government College of Engineering, Amravati, on the topic power flow computation studies. The sir had given the vast information on the different power flow technique. On the 13th, July, the session 4 was conducted by PM Joshi sir, professor from the Government College of Engineering, Karad, on the topic power system stability issues in the modern power system. Sir had enlightened on the different parameters which makes the power system unstable and its practical remedies are given. Then Dr. S.S. Dambhare, professor from College of Engineering, Pune, had conducted the fifth session on the advancement in the power system protection. Sir had given the deep insight on the fault in the modern power system and its protection and control. The renewable energy system, recent trends and opportunity topic was explained in a deep by Dr. N.B. Chaudhary sir, Principal, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Sir had given the complete information related to the government schemes of the solar water pump for the agriculture and its operation in the uh, standalone mode. That is the one of the Kusum is the system or the program run by the central government. Then, with the vast knowledge and the experience in the field of the power quality, Dr. Mahesh Kumar, professor from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, had conducted the seventh session of the FDP on the topic power electronics application in the power system, power quality aspect. One of the gems in the field of the power electronics, Dr. H.M. Suryavanshi sir from Professor VNIT Nagpur had conducted a session on the topic power electronics application in the power system, power converters. Sir had elaborated the practical design and analysis of the different power converters in the 8th session of the FDP. The sizzling topic in the field of the electrical engineering, electrical drives and air control is well explained in the 9th session of the FDP by Dr. M.V. Aware sir, professor from VNIT Nagpur. The need of the time is to manage the stochastic nature of the renewable energy resources and the fulfillment of the requirement of the load. The topic is well addressed by Dr. G.B. Kumbhar, sir, from Associate Professor from IIT Roorkee in the 10th session of the FDP, that is the demand side management in the distribution system. 11 sessions was conducted by Dr. A.G. Thoser, ma'am, professor from College of Engineering, Pune, in the topic on the topic facts, devices, and their application. Introduction to the modern computation tools in the power system was the topic which covers the different computational techniques in the latest version of the MATLAB. It's taken by the Dr. Miss Mona Lisa Pal, Madam, work in the education team at the Maths Work. Then 13th and the last 13th session of the FDP was on the futuristic electrical power system. The topic was deeply explained by Dr. M. Ballhar sir, professor VNIT Nagpur. The concept of the microgrid in this topic, he explained the concept of the microgrid with their integration and operation. A special session on the core ethics value and the yoga and stress management. This session was well conducted by M.A. Gaidhane sir, engineer and yoga teacher. In this session, the core ethics, yoga stress and breathing exercise was taken. All the sessions is well conducted by all the renowned resource persons. All the queries of the participants were solved by the resource person. All participants enjoyed all the session and patiently listened all the sessions of the FDP. I hope everyone had a good material to take home from this FDP. With this, I conclude my report. Thank you. Thank you very much. Over to you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir, for a wonderful explanation. Actually, you have given a detailed explanation of all these sessions. So now it's a high time for the feedback. So you can share your views, your opinions about us. You can also express your happiness, or you can share your any feelings. You can also share your anger also. So I'll request all the participants, if anyone want to give their live feedback. So I'll request people to people to turn on their video. So I think we are having with us Dr. N.R. Joshi. So, sir, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So Dr. Namrar Joshi, I am working with the SVKM Institute of Technology, Dhule, Maharashtra, and it's my pleasure to give my valuable feedback in this Atal sponsored online FDP on the recent trend in power system operation and control. So first of all, I would like to congratulate whole organizing committee for organizing FDP on the one of the most core subject of the power system. What happened in general, we all are looking towards the modern trends and we are just forgetting our roots. What are the roots of the power system engineering, which will plays a very crucial role for carried out the research in the further area. So the theme selected by the Department of Electrical Engineering and the Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, was very good, and it attracts me a lot as I am teaching that particular subject from last 8 years, and this particular FDP is giving me a very good opportunity to enhance my research skills, and I will definitely definitely taking away the things to carry forward the things to my students, whatever I have learned during the sessions. And there is one saying, the well began is half done. So what happened in generally in the online FDP, people just log in and left the PC aside and do their own work. But the well began is half done, as I said. The first session taken by Katti sir, and the second session was taken by Dr. PM Joshi sir. So that session gives a new spark in all the participants to attend all the sessions. Even the last session delivered by Professor M.A. Gendane sir on the yoga, it was a very interactive session on the stress management on the yoga. And the session given by Chaudhary sir, Aware sir, Dr. Makran sir, Professor Dr. Kumar sir, all the sessions are very excellent, and it definitely enrich the research skills, and it gives new insights on the subjects of the power system operation and control. So I am very much thankful to coordinator of the workshop, Dr. Nitin Gavhave sir, Principal Government College of Engineering, and the whole organizing team, co-coordinator of this workshop, SP Jole sir, Professor Khadse sir, Professor Praful sir, and all the staff members for their kind support during the whole 5 days. And I know that this 5 days workshop is not a one day or a 1 week work. You people have worked really hard and support all the participants. Even at the midnight, I am especially like to mention about Professor Praful sir, that Praful sir is replying even in the midnight on the WhatsApp group that that particular if participant is posting some query. So it was a very great experience for me. And at last, I would like to say, in this pandemic situation, we have attended the online FDP conducted by Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. So I hope next year on the upcoming semester, if Government College of Engineering, Nagpur is arranging physical FDP, so definitely I would like to visit Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. Thank you very much once again. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, actually, for your kind words. We will have a word of interaction with you in our offline session. So now I'll ask Dr. Kavita Thakur, madam, to please share his valuable experience, and if she want to say something.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I congratulate all team members, Principal Sir, Principal Dr. Gavgave Sir, Nandurkar Sir, very active coordinator, I will say, because what Sir has said really it is very appreciable, because even a small message from a people or a participant, you used to reply immediately their queries you have solved. And that too, I will also I will appreciate Principal Sir, that is Gaugave Sir, because even though he is handling too much issues, being taking as a principal, he is very busy still. He used to visit this FDP in the morning in between the sessions, and just looking to this FDP what is going on. So I am very much I will congratulate all you people, and then Khadsa madam also, she has also done a very good coordination for this. So, and one thing I really mention a name of a madam, that means that madam session conducted by Mona Lisa Paul madam. That session was really very useful for the students, for the faculties, because she has given a very vast knowledge and very step by step knowledge about MATLAB and Simulink. Because what we people think that this is easy and this cannot be, this some things are easy and this is very difficult, because one app she has shown that artificial intelligence and machine learning, if anyone want to do research in that, and if anyone want to go in that MATLAB Simulink, definitely that madam has told how to use that and how to go how to work on that MATLAB. Because 2021 in 2021 that MATLAB is introduced, that more apps we are getting directly. So that session was really very useful. I will also take the name of Dambare sir, being because he is a master in protection field. So definitely I will appreciate that session, as well as Gaugave sir, because in restructuring, I think no one can have that knowledge enough that Gaugave sir have. So I will congratulate all you people for conducting such a very nice FDP. Very the information shared by you people are very, very, very good. It is informative session, knowledgeable for each and every person, and I will appreciate efforts taken by all team members and Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks a lot, madam, for your kind words and your valuable feedback. Now, I think many more people are there in the line. So I think I'll call Dhaval Thesia, sir. Sir, are you there, sir? You can actually start sharing your experience. I think Sahasranshu Das has raised his hand. So Sahasranshu Das, can you please turn on your audio and video?
Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Myself, Sahasranshu Das from Bhubaneswar, Geeta Autonomous College, Bhubaneswar. It is really thankful to Department of Electrical Engineering, Government Engineering Nagpur, to conduct such nice program or FDP program, recent trends in power system operation and control. That is a very essential topic in electrical sector. First of all, I will give the thanks to Atal Academy. He starts a very good, wonderful starting to conduct such type of various programs throughout the India to enhance the knowledge of electrical, not only electrical, in all sectors. Then next we congratulate our coordinator, Dr. Praful Nandakar sir. They gives us too much support to complete that FDP program successfully. And lastly, I also give thanks to my college that he gives 5 days leave and adjust my class so that I will successfully complete my FDP programs. One, sir, two suggestions to one is Atal and another for the conducting the program. That first one is, sir, we are the participants. if one day for the participant is there, they can deliver their speech. Whatever they are doing, it is better for all, sir. 4 days for the experts. If one day for the participant, those are interested to participate as a speaker, then they can also share the knowledge to all of them. It is first one. And second one is the timing period is so too hectic, sir. We cannot get the launch also, sir. 5 and 6 hours, approximately 5 plus. We cannot get half an hour time also to get our launch, take our launch, sir. These two grievance to Atal Academy, to either it can restrict within 4.5 hours or 2 sessions per day. It is better for us. And another one is, and the participant also get chance to as a speaker. Thank you, sir. These two, you may send this feedback to Atal. Then we definitely get benefits, sir.
Okay,
Thank
thanks
you,
a lot. Thanks a lot, sir. We will keep all your suggestions in our mind, and we'll try to work on that. So we'll keep our 4 days for expert person, and we'll keep 1 person and 1 day for the participants. So definitely your suggestions is very good, and we'll definitely try to message the Atal, that is AICTE, to look forward on this issue. Okay, so now anyone want to share their experience? Anyone? Amit Kumar sir, are you there? I think you might have raised your hand. Okay, so Amit Kumar sir. Okay, sir, your mic is muted, sir. Kindly please turn on your mic. Still not on, sir. No, sir, we are not getting anything. No, it is still off, sir.
Now?
Now it is.
Hello? It is hearing? Yes, sir. Myself, Amit Kumar, research scholar in National Institute of Technology, Sikkim. I would like to thank all the coordinators of Government Engineering College, Nagpur, who have given the opportunities for a feedback of a such wonderful program. I have been a part of last 5 days of this program. I have attended all the sessions very sincerely because I have yet to start my career in the faculty field, and I have experience of 5 years in the research field. This is my last year of PhD, so that this program will help my faculty experience as well as research experience. So first of all, I would like to share some my views. It is all of my opinion. Please don't be taken in other way. First, the content made by the coordinators. It was a wonderful content in the power system area. It has covered facts applications, power electronic system, application of power electronics in power systems, and the restructure system by the principal sir, and the metal application by the Mona Lisa Ballman. It has covered, I mean to say, it has covered all the topics in the nowadays of research area. Second is to, it has, coordinators have avoided the grouping of some institutions, because in many FDP I was seeing that the most of the candidates are from a specific institution or a specific area. It has covered, your coordinates have covered all candidates from the every colleges of North India, South India, East or West. It has covered all Indian institutes and candidates of the various parts of the country. It is a wonderful part of the coordinators. Next is to resource person have covered the all research person have commendable job in that specific job to details about their topic, to get a research topic from that specific topic to do something in that specific area. And finally, I have special thanks to Mr. Dr. Professor Praful Nandankar sir to give me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your valuable words. So now I think we are short of time. So I think I'll ask all participants if they have something in their mind, so they can actually write in the chat box or they can share their views in the WhatsApp group. So now proceeding ahead. So your feedback. So you people have given a wonderful feedback to us, and it will motivate us to conduct more Atal online program, and it also motivate us to work in the positive direction. So now I will. There is a slight change of program. Our chief guest is having some work, but he has dropped a message for all of us. So I think I should call Professor Khadse ma'am to please read out the message for all the participants.
Okay, sir. This is the message from our chief guest, respected Dr. Mohan Daigwane, sir. Due to pre-assignment, sir is unable to attend the valedictory program. Dear participant, I would like to convey message of Dr. Daigwane, sir. First of all, I would like to thank Principal Dr. N.D. Ghaugave sir for inviting me as a chief guest in AICTE Atal FDP. I am highly obliged by your invitation. I would like to congratulate Ghaugave sir for organizing this wonderful event. I am highly assured that participants have got something out of it. You might have experienced learning new techniques from this FDP. Government College of Engineering, Nagpur has started in 2016-17, but since then, college is involving in various personality development workshop, entrepreneurship camp, technical event, etc., etc. Government College of Engineering, Nagpur is known for organizing quality programs. Government College of Engineering, Nagpur is also organizing international level conference in next week. So great wishes to organizing team of international conference. Once again, I will congratulate all coordinators, co-coordinators for successful organizing this FTP. All the very best to all participants for their future.
Thanks a lot, madam, for sharing the message from our chief guest. So now I will request our principal, sir, Dr. N.D. Ghaugave, who is a coordinator and a brain of this FDP, to share his experience and motivate all of us for our future endeavors.
Very good evening to one and all. At the outset, once again, I congratulate all the participants for attending this FDP successfully. And also, I wish that they have cracked the tests, which is conducted just before an hour. Friends, this is about the last session of our FDP. Hopefully, you have enjoyed it since half an hour. I'm listening to your feedback, and most of you have given the feedback. Of course, whenever there are any negative points, normally the people don't used to give any negative feedback. All of you have given positive feedback. I am very much thankful to you on behalf of Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, and the organizing committee. But negative feedback is also essential. As we know, in control system, to minimize the error, negative feedback system is used. All of us know. But even then, I suppose if you have any some points just to make our system more say corrective, kindly send the mail to our Professor Nandankar. You can send your special feedback to him. This is my request to all of you. So thank you once again for giving your positive feedback. Definitely we will work on your suggestions, whatever someone of you have given. for AICT ATL, definitely we will convey your suggestions to AICT. Friends, as we know, our basic needs were only three in earlier times. That means food, shelter, and water. Unknowingly, since so many years, electricity has become the essential need. And accordingly, the demand is continuously increasing day by day. It is just because of the standard of living, improvement in the standard of living and rapid industrialization. And probably in the today's session itself, Professor Ballard has said it. So what is my concern? We, as the electrical engineering professors, must be updated about the changes taking place in the power system operation and control. Because it is our responsibility to prepare our students to meet the challenges which will be coming up in future as regards to operation of the power system. And hence this FDP was planned accordingly. Almost, we tried to cover almost all the recent topics. But of course, this 5-day duration is too small to cover each and everything. It is just an initiative. And to charge all of you, this FDP was planned with the knowledge and the inputs which you have taken from the various experts. I hope that you will develop yourself in the respective directions and you will transfer the same to your students. Because the knowledge which we gain from anywhere, from the workshop or from the training program or anywhere else, it should be transferred. Otherwise, you know, when the water is dumped in a pond, what happens to it? So, this should not happen with the knowledge that you have gained from this FDP. I hope that it will be transferred properly to our students. Many of you are doing their researches in various fields, whether it is power electronics, whether it is power system operation and control, power system optimization, protection, or deregulation, operating the power system in different way, demand side management, etc. Everywhere you can apply your knowledge, you can apply your brain. This is just the beginning. The speakers which we have invited, we had invited, they were experts in their field. Few of them were from IITs, few of them were from NITs and various government engineering colleges. Even one speaker was from industry side. Yesterday itself, she has given this nice talk. I attended that session for a longer time. Miss Mona Lisa. She had given a very insight. I mean, she had thrown light to so many things. How simulation environment can be useful to solve the various power system problems, where power system computational analysis everywhere. She has given some insight to us, and many of you are doing already, but there are so many things, so many developments which have been taken place. Because this is the beauty of academia and industry. Whenever there is a development in industry, I mean the requirement of industry, academia has to improve, has to meet the industry requirement, and to solve the problems, solve the academic issues. Again, the industry has to develop. So this is a complete cycle, and I suppose the math work yesterday, that session which you have attended, all of you, the math work is doing this regard. In fact, recently some of you might have used the MATLAB version 10 years back.
Sir,
Sir, no,
your mic
no.
is muted, sir. Sir, your mic is muted.
It was automatically muted. I don't know how
sir.
it was
Okay,
happened.
okay.
Well, so as I was saying about the industry and academic tie-up, that there is a very close relationship between industry and academia. Depending upon the industry requirement, academic say curriculum or various issues, they must be changed so as to meet the industry requirement. And once the academics is, there are changes in academics, industry also has to support to complete the targets. And this is how the math work is doing since so many years. As I was saying, before 10 years back, this MATLAB, those who were using MATLAB, they must be knowing how many toolboxes were there in the Simulink library. And today, those who are using MATLAB, definitely they will be finding lot many changes, lot of development. So many tools have been introduced. So this is a closed cycle, and of course, this can be possible whenever you will put your demand, you will thrust. When you will identify your thrust of research, then and then only these things will be possible. I hope all of you will take each and every session. You have taken this issue, every session sincerely, and you have attended. Of course, the certificates you will be downloading from the website after fulfilling the criteria. But certificate is not simply the issue or simply the part. I suppose whatever the knowledge you gain, that you try to utilize in your research, try to make it apply to various applications to solve the various problems in electrical industry. And of course, as I said, that it should be properly transferred to your students as well. Then and then only the maximum benefit will be taken out of it. I will not take further much more time, because you are already eager to go back to your place. Of course, this is an online. Although you are at your place, but you have to get relieved out of it. This 5 days hectic schedule, and definitely next time we will plan whenever the physical FDP in physical attendance will be organized by our institute. I assure from my department and my institute that such type of FDP will be organized in future as well. Definitely, someone of you had put one message on WhatsApp group that there was only one thing missing, and that was IT. So I assure you that I invite all of you to visit to our institute. We'll have not only tea, but we'll have a lunch with you and share the knowledge as well as resources to you in the next FDP, which we will be planning after the pandemic is over. With this, I take your leave. Thank you once again. Thank you so much for giving your nice feedback, nice inputs to us for our further suggestions, improvement. Thank you once again. Thank you to my team, especially to Professor Nandankar, Professor Jolle, and Professor Neha Kadse, all the faculty, Shweta Madam, and Professor Pohekar, Professor Vankar, all of them. I'm thankful to all of them for their cooperation, kind cooperation. I was just as a nominal, say, backup. I was giving them simple backup to them, but my involvement was almost zero. Everything was handled by these people, by my team. I once again congratulate to all of these members of this team. Thank you very much. Thanks once again. Thank you for inviting me over here. Over to you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your motivational and inspirational words. Actually, sir, without you, this FDP will not become a possibility. And as sir has rightly mentioned, that a negative feedback is required to make any system stable. Like you see in the control system, a negative feedback is required. Otherwise, what will happen? That gain will become very high, and then you will then there will be a lot of oscillations. So a negative feedback is required. So you can actually post your feedback, positive, negative, anything on my mail ID. That is pppfuel@gmail.com. So now I think it's a high time. It's a great time to say thanks to all the people. So I think without their efforts, this event will not be a grand success. So for saying thanks, I will again request Kadse Madam to propose a vote of thanks. Madam, over to you.
Thanks a lot, Praful sir, for inviting me to propose a vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank AICTE for giving us opportunity to conduct this FDP on online platform. Then I would like to thank our principal, Dr. N.D. Ghaugave sir, who is the main coordinator and brain behind this Atal online FDP. Then I would like to thank my co-coordinators for their important role in conduction of the event, Professor S.P. Jolle sir and Professor P.V. Nandankar sir. I will also like to propose a vote of thanks to all resource persons for sharing their knowledge and sparing time to enlighten us with their words of wisdom. Then I would like to thank faculties of our college who were really very supportive. Then I would like to thank our non-teaching staff for providing all the office material. And last but not the least, I will like to thank our dear participants, without which this FDP would not be a great success. Thanks a lot, dear participants, for attending all sessions with full enthusiasm. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Thanks a lot, madam, for saying thanks to me and to all the coordinators, to all the participants, to all the resource person, to all the faculties, to all the non-teaching members, to everyone. So now I'll ask all the participants last time to please turn on their video for a group photo, because this photo is required. And I have actually mentioned in the WhatsApp group that these photos are very essential, because we will have to, send this photo to AICTE. So please, all are requested to please turn on their video. I think some people are not turning on. Okay, so Nivedya Mani, yeah, everyone is there. Okay, so say cheese. I think no one is saying. Okay, I click one photo. Okay, now the photo is taken. Okay, so thanks a lot, all dear participants, actually, for having a wonderful time with you. And I'll assure you that we will have a great time in the offline sessions too. So now I think it's time to say goodbye. And with this, I'll declare the end of AICTE-sponsored Atal Online FDP on recent trends in the power system operation and control from 12 July to 16 July. So with this, I say goodbye. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Thank you, Nitin, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ghaugave sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
Praful sir, can we have group photo of the function?
Yes. Actually, I have taken the group photo now.
Can you send it?
Yeah. I'll share all the photos on our group.
Okay,
Or I'll share all the photos via mail also. So we are having two modes, no? A mail and WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank
And
you.
we'll be sharing all the recordings to you.
Thank you, sir.
And I think your marks, I think, will be decided in the Atal account.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. Ma'am, there is no attendance link for this session. This is a voluntary session because as I already told that 14 plus 1, so 14 technical session, and the last one is our voluntary session. So we don't have any attendance link for this session, ma'am. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.